Good morning, class 11. This is your subject accountancy, chapter number 11, cash book, lecture number 8. Hello students, in this lecture we will solve the questions from 14 because in last lecture we have solved till question number 13b. Fine. So let's start. Cash book from the following transaction of Kavita Garments. First of all, read the question carefully. Now let's see the solution. See, first of all, on Feb 1st, cash in hand and cash at bank balances are given. So, to balance BD, cash in hand under cash column and cash at bank under bank column. Fine. On Feb 3rd, received a check of 5,880 for cash sales. Check was immediately deposited into bank. So, to sales account, 5,880 will be written under bank. Fine. On 5th, so receive check, that means there will be no entry for it, but on Feb 6 it is given. See, first check received for Kalpana is endorsed to Sapna in full settlement of 10,020 and second check is sent to the bank for collection. So it will be two checks in hand, 10,000. Fine. On 8th Feb, it is written that second check received from Kalpana is returned as dishonored and bank has debited 20 rupees. So buy Kalpana and it will be 10,020 because we will add 20 rupees in 10,000 bank charges. Fine. And we will write this amount under bank column. On Feb 10, received check from sale of old furniture 1,950. Next day, the check is endorsed to creditor Ramesh in full settlement of 2,000. They are saying check received from old furniture. Fine. And next day, check is endorsed. So there will be no entry for it because entry will be recorded through journal proper. On Feb 12, purchase goods from Mohan on credit. So also there will be no entry of this Feb 12 because it is on credit. On Feb 15, settled Mohan account by giving a check of 4,000 and cash 3,900. So on Feb 15, it will be by Mohan account. Under cash, we will write 3,900 and under bank, we will write 4,000. Fine. On Feb 16, they are saying sold goods to Pawan for 6,000. He paid cash immediately after deducting 2.5% cash discount. So on Feb 16 to cash to sales account, it will be written under 5,850. After deducting 2.5% from 6,000, we will write it under cash column. On Feb 20, they are saying paid salary by check 5,000. So by salary account and amount we will write under bank column. On Feb 25th, it is cash sale to date 50,000 of which 40,000 were banked. So on Feb 25th to sales account 10,000 under cash, 40,000 under bank. Fine. On Feb 26th, paid electric bill 2,000 for January by check and paid rent for January 1,500. Feb 26 they are saying to buy outstanding electricity bill 2,000 under bank and buy outstanding rent 1,500 by cash. Fine. On Feb 27 they are saying cash purchases 5,000 issued a check. So by purchases account, and amount we will write under bank column. On 28th Feb, deposited into bank cash retaining 7500. So we will apply the same formula here. We will total debit side and credit side of both, okay, of cash column, and then we will leave the amount 7500 to be carried down, and rest of the amount we will do the entry to cash account by bank account. Whenever we are doing two cash account, it will be written under bank 10,450, and under ledger folio C for contra entry, and whenever we are writing by bank account, we will write this amount under cash, and under in ledger folio it will be C. So cash is to be carried down 7,500, bank balance is to be carried down 48,340. So on the first day of next month, that will be March 1st, two balance BD brought down, that will be 7,500 under cash, and under bank 48,310. Fine. Now see, working notes are there. On Feb 5th, checks in hand account debit to Kalpana 10,000, 10,000, 20,000. On Feb 6th, it is Sunita account debit to checks in hand to discount received. Checks in hand definitely 10,000, discount received 200, and total amount 10,200 will be debit. Fine. On Feb 6th, it is bank account debit to checks in hand. Check received from Kalpana sent to bank for collection, that is 10,000, 10,000. And on Feb 10, that is checks in hand account debit to furniture. Check received against sale of furniture, that will be 1,950. On Feb 11, it is Ramesh account debit to checks in hand to discount received. So Ramesh, under Ramesh we will write, in front of Ramesh we will write debit 2,000, and checks in hand 1,950, and discount received 50. So his narration will be check received from sale of furniture and those to Ramesh. Fine. Now beta, I told you earlier as well, cash deposit into bank, that will be total of cash column debit side minus total of cash column credit side plus cash balance maintained. That will be 10,450. So with this amount we will do contra entry with both the sides, in cash book and in cash book, in cash column as well as in bank column. Now see, on 12th Feb there will be recorded in cash book. There will not be recorded in cash book because this entry credit transactions are there, and it will not affect either cash or bank balance. Fine. So it will be mentioned under working note whenever there is credit entry, whenever there is any discount entry. Fine. Or whenever we do entry for endorsement of a check or check receipt, we will have to record all these entries through journal proper in working note. Fine. Now see, they are asking you to prepare a petty cash book. There is proper format of petty cash book, I will tell you now. So first of all, let's read the question. Prepare a petty cash book on the Impress system from the following. So let's see. First of all, read this question carefully. See now, its format is amount received, CB folio, date, voucher number, particulars, total amount. So we will enter all these columns whether they are included in cash book or not, but we will have to enter both the all the columns like conveyance, printing and stationery, postage, wages, cartage, miscellaneous expenses. So basically they are saying that receive 10,000 for petty cash. So whatever the amount received, that will be written under amount received. Fine. That is 2017 April 1st. We will write this amount on the left side, that is written over here. And in particulars we will write cash account. On April 3rd, they are saying paid cartage. So cartage account and total amount we will write 800, and in cartage column also we will write 800. On April 4, it is bus fare 400, 400, 400 under conveyance, and 400 we will write under total amount. Whatever the amount we are recording here, we will have to write that amount under total amount. Fine. Next one is bus fare. So bus fare will include it under conveyance and total amount as well. Next one is postage, speech post. So postage we will include under postage. April 6 paid for stationery 700. So we will include this amount printing and stationery. Paid for courier services, that is 300. So it will be written under postage. Fine. Next one is taxi fare and wages. So taxi fare we will include under conveyance, and wages we will include under wages. Next one is also wages and charities. So wages we will include under wages, and charity we will include under miscellaneous expenses. Fine. Newspaper bill also we will include under miscellaneous expenses. Soap we will include under miscellaneous expenses, and speed post charges, that we will include under postage. Postage we will definitely include under postage. On April 14, paid for repairs of chairs 500. It will be including under miscellaneous expenses, and refreshment also will include under miscellaneous expenses. Now we will total all the column and total amount as well. So total amount is 7,800. So we will deduct this amount from 10,000, that will become 2,200. So it is by balance carried down. Now we will total it up 10,000, 10,000. Next month, sorry, on the next day it will be two balance buried down, brought down, that is 2,200, and cash account, because we will left with this amount, that's why, because it is impress system. So next month or on next day we also need the same amount 10,000. So we have already spent 7,800, that's why we will have to be in need of find 7,800. That's why we will include this April 16 cash account 7,800. So this is the way to do the petty cash book on Impress system. Fine. Let's see question number 16 as well. See, record the following transaction in a petty cash book with suitable columns. The book is kept on Impress system. Amount of Impress being 4,000. First of all, read this question. See beta, 540 rupees they have given you cash. So balance BT we will be writing 5,000, sorry, 540. Now they are saying that the book is kept on Impress being 4,000. Fine. So 4,000 minus 540, it will be 3,460. So to cash account. Cash account will be opening with April 1st. It will be 3,460. Now we will include all these things whatever are given, all these items whatever are given here. So it is paid for office cleaning, so 100 rupees miscellaneous expenses, railway fare, conveyance, bus fare also conveyance, and wages we will include under wages. Fine. On April 7, paid carriage on parcel. So carriage is paid, that's why we will include it in cartage. Paid for wages we will include under wages. On April 10, board stamps, envelopes, and account register. All these things are like we will include under printing and stationery. Fine. On April 10, it is postage, envelopes, and account books. So postage we will include under postage 300. Envelopes 450 we will include under printing and stationery, and books also we will include under printing and stationery. Fine. On April 12, it is paid for repairs and gave tips to office peon. So if it is paid for repairs, definitely we will include it under miscellaneous expenses. Gave tips to office peon 150 rupees, that is also included under miscellaneous expenses. Next one is gave charity 100 rupees. Charity is also included under miscellaneous. Served tea to consumers, it will be also written under miscellaneous expenses. Fine. Next one is April 15 paid for wages 160 rupees, reward to servant. Wages we will include under wages and reward we will include under miscellaneous. So we will total it up all the amount. Fine. Now we see it is 3700 and the basic amount whatever we got for this is 4000. So 300 is lacking behind. So we will write April 16 balance BD 300 and cash account 30,700. Fine. Let's see question number 17 now. It is Mr. Yadav, the petty cashier of Messrs Tripati Traders, received 10,000 on April 1st, 2016 from the head cashier, and these were the petty expenses. These are like taxi fare, refreshment. So let's see. First of all, 2000 April 2, April 2nd, that is taxi fare. First of all, we will include this cash account, whatever the amount is given, that is 10,000, we will write under the amount received. Fine. On 1st April, cash account. Now on 2nd April, taxi fare. Taxi fare we will include under conveyance, so we will write under conveyance and total amount as well. Next one is refreshment. We will write under refreshment. We will write under miscellaneous. April 5th, registered postal charges. We will write under postal charges, postage. On April 5th, wages. We will write under wages and total column. Next one is April 8, auto fare. Auto fare we will include under conveyance. April 9, courier charges. Courier charges we will include under postage. Postal stamps also we will include under postage. Eraser, sharpeners and pencils. On April 14, that is stationery, so we will include under printing and stationery 400 rupees and in total amount as well. Next one is speed post charges. Speed post charges, beta, you know postage and postage. Fine. Speed post charges and total column as well. Cartage we will include under cartage and total column. Computer stationery we will include under printing and stationery and total column. On April 22, wages we will include under wages. Bus fare under conveyance charges, under conveyance. Office expenses, it is miscellaneous. Refreshment is also miscellaneous. Loading charges, they are saying on April 28 loading charges 300, it is cartage. Photo stating charges, it is miscellaneous. And wages we will include under wages and in total column as well. Now we will total amount that is given on right hand side, that is 8500. So our balance carried down will be 1500 because we have to make it total 10,000. Fine. So April 30th it is like this. So on May 1st it will be to balance BD 1500, and how much cash we need to make it balance 10,000? It is 8,500. Fine. So this was our petty cash book. Now your homework is you have to do all the questions, practice all the questions in your notebook. Complete your notebook till question number 16 of cash book and practice illustrations as well. Fine, including single column cash book, double column cash book and petty cash book. Fine. And wherever these are necessary to prepare working note, definitely you will have to prepare that.